Building a raised bed using cinder blocks can be an excellent way to create a durable, long-lasting gardening space. The introduction for such a project could highlight the benefits, versatility, and ease of constructing a raised bed with cinder blocks. Step 1. Choose the location. When choosing a location for your raised bed, consider the following factors. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Drainage. It is important to choose a location that also has well-drained soil. Avoid areas that are prone to flooding or that have poor drainage. Make sure that the location you choose is easy to access so that you can easily water and tend to your plants. Step 2. Clean your location from weeds and level the soil. Before you start building your raised bed, it is important to remove any weeds or debris from the area. You can use a shovel or a rototiller to remove the weeds. Once the weeds are removed, use a shovel to level the soil as much as possible. Step 3. Line your cinder blocks. Place the cinder blocks in the desired layout to form the walls of the raised bed. Ensure they're aligned and level. Stack the blocks firmly, ensuring they're stable and won't shift easily. Step 4. Add cardboard and then dry leaves or twigs or decomposing wood. Lay down cardboard or several layers of newspaper at the bottom of the bed. Overlap the edges to prevent weeds from coming through. Add a layer of mulch, dry leaves, twigs, or small pieces of decomposing wood on top of the cardboard or newspaper. This layer aids in drainage and decomposition. Step 5. Add the best garden soil and then compost on top. Now it's time to fill your raised bed with soil. Be sure to use high-quality garden soil. You can find garden soil at most garden centers. Once you have filled the bed with soil, leave about 2 inches of space at the top of the bed for compost. Compost is a nutrient-rich material that will help to improve the quality of your soil and boost the growth of your plants. You can make your own compost or purchase it from a garden center. Step 6. Plant your seeds or seedlings. The final step is to plant your seeds or seedlings in your raised bed. Be sure to follow the instructions on the seed packet or plant tag for proper planting depth and spacing. Additional tips. Water your plants regularly, but be careful not to overwater them. Cinder blocks can absorb water, so it is important to allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Fertilize your plants regularly with a balanced fertilizer. Add compost to the top of your raised bed every spring to improve the soil quality. With proper care, your raised bed with cinder blocks should last for many years. I hope this explanation is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.